What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? It's Ken coming at you from Ken.com. 1970 Pontiac Firebird or True Phoenix. Oh boy. I said I was going to show y'all that I was going to get started on my wiper, and that I had a pretty decent diagram I'm creating for the circuitry that's internal. And I messed around and got it out, but there was something that I need to do before I get started. And you guys can see this. Oh man, I should have it some kind of way where I can do it on the video on my doodaber, huh? Yeah, let me do that. Let me do that. No, let me see. Should I do that? Nah, I don't feel like doing that right now. Concentrating on something else. Um, this circuit here is the body control module. Where we're only concerned right now today with power always on, which is that red going up there, and over here. Now, I'm creating this as I go from different documents on the web, and it helps out sometimes. You know, when in my idle time, when I'm in front of the computer somewhere, I can draw these, and then when I come back, I have a better idea of what I'm doing. But I've identified all the wiring for this, these here, which are the that's the instrument cluster what I did the other day. And this wire here, this blue wire here, I have to identify, which I have identified. It goes to the daytime running lights module. But these here, which do not go to the daytime running lights module, this is what I need to figure out. Where are these two? This one goes to the left rear, and one goes to the right rear. Hot bulb or brake light lamp. So when I go right turn, the brake light lamp will flash on and off, or left turn, vice versa. And this one right here, this one goes to the, what do you call that thing? The brake switch. But my brake switch is much more complicated than this. So anyway, that's what I got to do. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to try to find this circuit here. That's going to go through the P100. And the P100 is the wall. I don't know where it goes. I'll figure it out where it goes. But it goes outside or inside. It goes all the way back. Yeah, that goes in the inside harness. It doesn't go outside at all. It goes in the inside harness. Goes all the way back to the tail lights. And from there, that's where I go. So I think I'm going to have to go get the inside harness secondary. Which is, there's a primary, which is right at the steering column. Then the secondary is the one that runs under the seats, and then the third one is the one that goes towards the door. That's two separate harnesses, but I guess we'll hook up on that some other time. But today, still working on not tail light, but turn signal. And I just want to show you this little document that I'm making. And right today, I'm going to concentrate on trying to find these two here that go to the rear, and also want to finish up this daytime running lamps module. All right, y'all.